Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to start with is to take a look at this option bar actually at the very bottom in the middle, because right now we've got let's say the photo mode. All we have to do is to tap on this icon next to it to set the video. If you can see the video here, for sure you're on the video mode. So now simply enter the settings. The settings are right here on the left lower corner, so let's tap on it. And on the third position, we've got the option called resolution. And this is the option basically we're looking for. So we've got three different options, which is 4K, and it is currently applied, it is highlighted. We've got also FHD and 8K. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option which you'd like to use. It is right now highlighted, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.